you got some potato heads left over and you need to make a little into a lot, we got you. Crispy oven-baked potato wedges. Come on, y'all, we're gonna show you how to make them. Let's get cooking. We've gone ahead and already brushed them off and washed them under the sink just with some cold water.
Watch those digits, cooks.
We're gonna take our knife and split them down the middle.
Safety first, don't cut yourself.
Now we flip it on the flat side so they don't get away from you, and we're gonna cut them about 1/8 or even up to 1/4 of an inch. You don't want them too thick, so we'll show you. As you can see, you want them thick enough where they'll cook, but not too thin where they're just gonna burn up and be burnt crisp in the oven. So we'll cut a couple of potato spuds up here, just so you can get a sense of how to cut them. You'll get about 3 or 4 out of each potato spud, depending on how big your potatoes are. Any little spots you see like this, you can go ahead and cut this out. And as you can see, we've put them all in a bowl. They're about 3 to 4 times our knife size, so that'll give you a range of how thick they should be. Now for our cooks who cook all the time, you can just do this in the bowl. But for our new cooks, we recommend a 1-gallon freezer bag. You can go ahead and pour all your potato wedges in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This is gonna be our sticking coating. We're gonna put this on each one of these so our seasoning will stick and it'll give us some flavor in the oven. We'll pour this all around like so. Now here's our seasonings. We've got 2 teaspoons of garlic and herb seasoning, 1/4 of freshly ground sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of parsley flakes. We'll go ahead and give this a shake. Go ahead and take your fingers and just mush it all around. Not too hard where you crush them, but just so you're moving all that seasoning in the bag. This is a good task to give to the kids or the family if you want. Let them have fun in the kitchen. Just make sure you seal the bag up at the top.
Time for a bit of fun, y'all. Let's shake these spuds up so we can get ready to bake them.
If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. We've got tons of recipes on our channel. Check out our cooking indoors and out and learn to become a cook. Get even more at bntsrecipes.com. So back to these wedges. Make sure your bag is sealed and go ahead and just give it a good shake to spread those potatoes all around to ensure the potatoes are evenly coated with oil and seasoning. We've gone ahead and closed this up tightly. We're gonna go ahead and let this sit and marinate for an hour. You don't have to, but it just makes the flavor seep in. All right, we're done. We've gone ahead and preheated our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's our pan. Make sure you spray it down with some spray. Go ahead and spread all your potatoes onto your baking sheet. Now this was about 6 small Yukon Gold potatoes that were sliced, but use what you have. Just make sure you spread them all over so each side is facing the pan. You don't want them sitting all on top of each other. Our oven is preheated. We'll go ahead and stick these in the oven and we're gonna flip these a couple of times. We're gonna bake them about 50 minutes total, but we're gonna flip them maybe 2 or 3 times in between. You can either do it halfway if you've got thin ones, or if you've got thicker ones, you may wanna do it every 15 minutes. We're gonna speed the video up as we're just flipping them all here. But basically, you can start off doing them for 20 minutes and then flip them, 15 minutes, flip them, and then another 15, and you're done. All you want to do is make sure they're golden, crispy brown like this, and make sure you can stick it easily with a fork in the middle. If it's too stiff or you can't put a fork through it, they may not be done. Let them cook a little more. And here's that golden brown potato wedge. As you can see, each side is getting crispy. This is a quick and easy side. You can put cheese on these or just eat with sauce, ketchup, barbecue sauce, hot sauce, whatever you want. Eat at any time.
We definitely hope y'all enjoy, so if you do, drop a line, let us know. And as always, thanks again for baking with BNT.